Okay guys, welcome back to the second installment of our tutorial, and yeah, hopefully you can hear me. I've done a lot of testing videos just to make sure. Yeah, first of all, I apologize for, well, I think it's been 4 weeks, 3 weeks since the last video, so yeah, I've been pretty busy and yeah, haven't had the chance, but it means you guys probably had the chance to play around a bit with Blender. Maybe you learned, maybe you've already learned Blender in that time. If you have, well done. Yeah, so yeah, this video is going to be about installing SCS Tools and just setting it up and just making sure you can get ready with the next episodes. So the first thing I want you to do is, before we install anything, I want you to go into Blender and just go into general file. Hang on a second. So yeah, you want to go into a general file and you'll see the cube and everything. And the first thing I want you to do is go to hit the material tab. Okay, and I want you to tick this back face column. Okay, I want you to tick that. It's very important. It's to do with how the faces are oriented and how SCS Tools will interact with Blender when it shows the faces of your object. So please make sure you turn that on. And once you've done that, you want to go into File, um, Defaults, Save Startup File. Okay. Now what this is going to do is make sure that every time you start Blender, you start it with backface coloring on. Okay, that's it. That's all I want you to do for now. So close Blender. You don't need to save it. And just to show you, I open it up. Take a while. Should probably install that second stick of RAM, which I still haven't been bothered to do. And yeah, backface coloring is there, turned on. Okay, so close Blender. Next thing you're gonna do is open up your internet browser, Firefox, Chrome, Edge, whatever. Open it up. The first thing you're gonna type in is SCS Tools. Just type that in, and yeah, you'll get quite a couple of things. Just go to the second link you see here. Let's go here, and then you've got the SCS modding wiki, which is where we're gonna need to download 4 things today. Okay, 4 things. So before we do that, we need to find, hang on a second. So home, tools, and then you can download all your stuff here. So the things we're gonna need is game archive extractor, SCS Blender tools, conversion tools. You don't need this, and yeah, that's it. Okay, and we're going to need to download one more thing externally as well. So first thing, let's download Blender tools. Click download, and you guys should all be on the latest version. So please use the latest version. If you have Blender, if you have the corresponding Blender version, use that link. But please make sure you're on the latest Blender version because it's the best. So click it, and then it's gonna open up a new tab and it will ask you to save it. Obviously save it in a folder where you can just organize things. So I saved it in just this normal folder. As you can see, I've already saved it before, so it's just here. So that's that one. So just click save and it will download it for you. I'm not going to download it because I already have. Then go back, and now you're going to want to do conversion tools again. Click download, and I got it here in a different tab, and click again latest version 2.12. Okay, click it, and it will again ask you to save the file, and I've already done it here. Okay, that's that one. So that's 2. So you want SCS Blender Tools add-on and conversion tools. So that's your 2. The third one, let's go back again. Game archive extractor, which some of you may know is just SCS extractor. Download it, and you can download it here. Again, save file, same thing again here. Okay, that's your third zip file. Now, for the fourth thing, I want you to type in SCS Tools Converter Pix Wrapper Master. Okay, there. That's what you need to type in. Something along those lines, and you'll see a GitHub link. Now go to the SCS forum here. So you can either go to this one. I'm just going to show you how to get there anyway. Click on the SCS forum link, And here it is from 50k, the legend of SCS software. Just click on that link, and here you have ConverterPix wrapper, which is very important. It's not mandatory, but it's very useful, as you will see in the next episode. So I've actually forgotten where you download this. It's here somewhere. Guessing it's just latest really here. Just click here on the link, and then you can download it here. Just click on the zip here, and again save file. Same thing. Put it in the same folder, and you should end up with 4 zip files. Okay, right. Now we're done with that. Let's by the way, this is a model I made before, just so you can see. You guys should be able to do that soon. Here, so this is the folder where we had our 4 zip files in. Here it is. And so let's just go over what they each really do. This one is conversion tools basically converts the file type so that Blender can actually read it. So yeah, this one is essentially the same thing, but it's when you're importing. So it helps with importing models, which we'll cover the next episode. This one is SCS Tools. This is the main thing that SCS developers use. It's how Blender can talk with SCS Tools and SCS materials, etc. And then we have SCS Extractor, which you'll need to take out all the base files of the ETS files, because you're going to need them if you want to import, right? So let's close that. So let's right, first thing you're going to do is close File Explorer, open up Blender, open up a general file, delete the cube. You don't have to. I'm going to delete the cube because it's I like to do it. And then you're going to go to File, no, Edit, Preferences. You get this little pop-up tab, and you want to go to Add-ons. Okay, so Add-ons, Install. Okay, and then you're going to find the folder which you downloaded all those things in. So I think mine is in here. Okay, first thing you're going to install is this one, SCS Blender Tools Add-on Zip. Click on it. Now I'm not going to click on it because I've already installed it, but you just got to click on it and press install. Okay, and once you've done that, you should be able to type in SCS Tools, and this one here, the second one, you should see this once you've installed it. Okay, when you click install, by the way, you should see a little thing here at the bottom that says all the modules have been installed. If you get an error message, try again. Just make sure you follow all the steps that I've showed. If you still have issues, again, ask on the SCS forums or in the YouTube comments. So you're gonna go here and just tick the box here, okay, for this box. You should see it. And then once that's done, you should see that you have your SCS tools. So you can see some here. Obviously, yeah, you have some SCS tools here as well. And yeah, you can see you got the sun as well here, SCS sun. You should see all those things. So if you see those things, that's a good sign. Next thing you want to install, I think, is yes. Okay, so same thing again. Edit, preferences, add-ons, install, and you'll have seen that I had the second thing. So let's just go here, and the next thing we're going to install is IO ConverterPix Wrapper Master. Okay, install that. Again, do the same thing. Then you're going to type in here SCS again. You can see here, this is the first box here. And again, tick the box and you should be done. The way to work out if you've installed it correctly is if you go to File, Import, and you should see here at the bottom s.scs. If you have that, you've installed it. So well done. Okay, now you've got the installing part done. Next thing you want to do is you want to go here to the top tab here, and you see, I think it's here somewhere. Actually, no, sorry, don't go here. Go to the third tab here, Export tab, so Output Properties, and you want to go here, Conversion Tools Path. Okay, before we do that, we're going to open Fire Explorer. We're going to find that folder, and you're going to click on Converge Tools. You're going to right click on this, and you're going to extract it. So you can use any software. You could use WinRAR, you could use, File Explorer also has an extracting thing. You're going to extract the files, preferably to the same folder. Here it is. And yeah, so just leave it like that. Go back into Blender and use where we were here, Converge Tools Path. Click on the little folder, and I've already done it, as you can see. But what you're just going to have to do is find that folder. So here, and then once you're in this folder, so once you find Converge, the extracted folder, click on it and press accept. Okay, that's it. I guess I can press accept, but I'm not going to because I've already done it. So done. Okay. Right. It's a lot. I know it's a lot to digest, so if you need to pause the video, do that. Keep watching over again. I'm in a bit of a rush to finish this video, so yeah, just make sure you do all those steps. Now, you've done all the like necessary Blender stuff, so you are pretty much set up and ready to go. But you'll see, if you go in the first tab, this will all be red for you guys. And the way to remedy that, well, basically what this is trying to find the ETS game files, right? So like sign library wants to find all the signs, traffic rule, material substance wants to see all the glass or the metal, etc. maybe, and the automat files. So yeah, in order to remedy that, you remember that we have 4 folders that we installed. So we're going to find that folder, and here it is, SCS Extractor. Again, we're going to extract this. So do that, extract it. I'm using 7-zip, by the way. And you're going to go SCS Extractor, and you're going to copy this. And now you need to find your Steam ETS files. So the way to do that is to find where Steam is. So I have here Steam stuff and Steam apps. So this is your Steam directory. Steam apps, common. I have all my games here, and then oh, I thought I uninstalled F1 2020. Well, it's still there. Euro Truck 72, and then yeah, here are all your folders. So you can see here all the zipped folders. These are all the ETS folders. Everything is in here, but you cannot access any of them. As you can see with that loud tone, it's locked. So it's illegal to open these, because I don't know if it's illegal, but just you can't essentially. Um, and yeah, so you can see I've already extracted these files, and you're probably wondering, oh, okay, just go on 7-zip, extract the files. It doesn't work. Okay, you can't do that. So the way to do it is to use this SCS extractor, which I have here. So you're gonna remember when you copied it, you're gonna paste it here now, and you should see it here at the bottom there. Okay. Before we do any of that, you want to open up Steam just to make sure that all your files are verified. So you guys have probably done this before. So go to your game library and find this one. You're going to find Euro Truck, right click it, properties. Again, same would go for American Truck Simulator if you're doing this for ATS. And what you want to do is go to local files, verify integrity of game files. Okay, click on this, let it do its thing, and then you can close Steam once it's done that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get the base folder, this one, okay, yeah, and you're going to drag. So I'm going to drag it down all the way. It'll take a bit of time because yeah, give it a second. Probably not the best way to have done this, but it's okay. Just keep scrolling down. Remember, this is your base folder, and you're going to drop it over SCS Extractor. Okay, I'm not going to do it because I've already done it. You're going to drop it over there, and what's going to happen is there's going to be a black screen, and it's going to say a number of entries, and that black screen will be, and it's going to like start extracting all your folders. That black screen should be there for a long time. If it opens after like 30 seconds, if it finishes after 30 seconds, it's not right. You need to verify your game files again through Steam. Okay? If it takes like 10, maybe even 20, maybe 5, that should be fine. So just let that run. Once it closes, you know you've done it. And you know it's finished where if I go into model, for example, and I go into one of the folders, factory, all the files are there, okay? If the files are there, that means it's done it, it's extracted everything for you, and you can access all the files, which we're going to do in the next episode. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You're going to do the same thing with the def folder as well. You don't have to do it with the def folder, but it's good to do it anyway. As you can see, same thing with def. The def one will take shorter, the black screen. It will still take considerable time, but it will take shorter. And yeah, I've got all my def folders here. Once you've done all that, you can close this down and open up Blender one more time. Sorry. Maybe just keep it open, you know. Actually, maybe don't, because you want it to update, but it's fine. You're gonna just open up a general file again, and this should be all red for you guys. So you see here, trigger action library. You need to find this, okay? Trigger action.sii, and the way you do that is you find that folder, that big folder that we had, that big Steam folder, okay? So that's not it. Okay, give me a second. I need to find that. So again, Steam apps, common, Eurotech 72, and yeah, you should see now all your extracted folders. There it is. So for the first one, trigger action library, I think you got to go into def, and then if you scroll down, uh, hang on, where is it? Not here. Sorry. Def world. Okay, sorry. So you're going. When it's red, by the way, it will tell you the location of where you got to find it. So I need to go to def. I need to go to world, and then I need to scroll down and find trigger action. There it is, trigger action. Okay, click it, and the red stuff should go away because now it's found that folder. Same thing with signs. So you got to find def world sign.sii. Same thing. Um, so we're gonna go back. Here we go. Should have it here somewhere. Def. I think it was world, wasn't it? I think it was world. Again, go down. Find sign.sii. Again, the red stuff should go away. You're going to do the same thing basically for all of them. I'm not sure where this is. Okay, so same thing. Def world. So we're in the world folder because it knows we've been there last time. Here we go. I think it's semaphore profile. Okay, there you go. Click that. Traffic rules. Same thing. It's in the world folder, so I can just scroll down. Traffic rules. There, and then the hookup library. Now this will sort of depend on the mod you're working on, but just in general, you can just go to that folder, that ETS folder, and find the folder unit. Where is it now? Unit, hookup, and yeah, just do that. Obviously, when you're working with your own mod, you might have your own unit folders for maybe a truck mod or trailer mod. Then you would do that personally for yourself. And then material substance is again same sort of thing. Find material. Where is it? Material, material.db. That's the folder you want. Select it, and now everything, all the red stuff should go away. Here, SCS project based path. We'll talk about that later. Obviously, we don't need to talk about it now. And yeah, essentially, you should have SCS Tools. First thing I want you to do though is just put a cube in. I don't know if I have screen keys. Okay, I haven't um got the keys like what key I'm pressing, but just do Shift A. Then you can add a cube. I showed you this in the previous episode. Then go to the rendered mode and just go here into this little earth thing, and then just sorry, go into this tab, okay, and what you should see, which I'm not seeing, is okay. Okay, you know what? We'll cover this in the next episode because I think maybe I've just done something wrong here. So forget about that. Just basically, if you go into here and you've got your SCS stuff here, just again check file, import. You've got all this SCS stuff here. Then you've pretty much got SCS Tools installed. And next episode, we are going to explain how to import models. So how can you import a model, play around with it, and yeah. So if you want to play around with SCS Tools, be my guest, play around with it, and yeah. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Any questions, again, SCS forum or YouTube comments. The the former is a better option for me, but it's up to you. Okay. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Well, I don't know if you enjoyed it, but yeah. Hopefully this helped, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.